Guys, I missed you guys so much. Like, I've been enjoying making short form content over on my TikTok, but I do post the videos over here on shorts. But definitely go check out my new TikTok. It's Kim Smalls, and I'll have it like right up here. But anyways, I missed y'all. Did y'all miss me? I miss making long form content. Like, I do. I really do. But it just gets so time consuming sometimes where I just overthink and then I just don't post nothing at all. But today we're starting fresh. We're doing a Sunday reset. We're cleaning up this whole apartment, and yeah, so let's just get into it. I gotta put away some dishes. I gotta start the dishwasher, clean the living room, clean my bedroom. I got a lot to do, and I gotta squeeze in a workout. So let's go ahead and put these dishes away first, and then we'll do everything else. And so I had to take a dog walking break. You guys know how it be. I wish it would stay forever. Like, I really love this weather. When we get back inside, we're gonna finish cleaning, and then like I said, we gotta work out. So I definitely gotta show you my new setup for how I work out inside when I don't feel like going to the gym during the week. Here, get it. You just don't want me to have it. You just don't want me to have it. You just don't want me to. So you guys, I have been setting up like my own at-home gym for a while now. It's in a small little corner in my house, but it's just perfect for me because, you know, sometimes I don't want to go to the gym. Sometimes I don't want to deal with people on equipment, and sometimes I just want to have like an active rest day, but I can still do like some, you know, at-home Pilates workouts, do some kettlebell swings or anything. So yeah, I got all this stuff from TEMU. They actually sponsored your girl, or they just helped me out. Honestly, they helped me out. They gave me some items. You see, I put everything up. I kind of like redecorated it. You can see like the before and after. I also got this frame, but it didn't fit the photo, like it didn't fit the posters, and I don't really have anything to go inside of it right at this moment. So you saw how I decorated it, just so like when I am working out, or even like when I wake up in the morning, I can just look at these photos and really just have a reason to be more motivated to enjoy my day. So I'm about to show you guys, I'm about to do like a little, I'm just going to show you an example of like some exercises you can do at home with this equipment, and then after this we can make dinner and, you know, end this day so we can get ready for a great week ahead.
Flashback. End of flashback.
So with these, I like to do kettlebell swings. So I just hold my feet at shoulder width apart and I just swing forward and back. And just be very careful. This is light, so you don't have to do much. Exercise, you can also do standing marches. So what I like to do is just hold above my head and suck in my core to make it touch the back of my back and lift one leg at a time. Our dumbbells, these are 11 pounds each. They're very light. So what I like to do with these at home is just do a couple of circuits of bicep curls, but I like to hold one arm like this and then I lift. You can also go into a push press. You can do so many exercises with dumbbells, so I kind of go squats and I push up. Last exercises I kind of do with these is overhead extension. So each arm. So great for the core. You can do alternating. Go together, or you could, oh shit, stand. And you can just do your workouts like this. So definitely be sure to check out TEMU if you guys are also looking for some home gym items or some home items that you can, like, you know, get your workout in when you don't want to go to the gym. Fitness doesn't have to mean you at the gym all the time. You can always get your exercise in at home. So again, thank you to TEMU. So let's go ahead and cook some dinner and chill for the rest of the night. I'm gonna cook dinner. I have this marinated adobo chicken. I've been letting it marinate like all night long. I'm gonna just air fry it. I be unplugging my air fryer because I seen somebody house catch on fire or something burn in the wall, and I just been unplugging my air fryer ever since. So let me get closer. Alright, so food is done. I got adobo chicken, white rice, broccoli and cauliflower, and in my drink is just one of these 0 sugar flavored water mixes. But thank you for like chilling with me. I know I've been gone. Hopefully I can get a little bit more consistent with the long form content. But be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.